Hi guys, and welcome to another awesome episode of Beginner Tutorials from John, world's best guys. Today we're gonna do something super helpful. This is Google Sheets, everybody. I'm talking the Mac Daddy of organizers, the creme de la creme. Everybody needs them. So it doesn't matter if you're a 7-year-old, kid trying to keep track of your Minecraft stuff, or your ponies, or you're a 40-year-old business exec trying to run a multi-$1,000 company, or whatever. If you don't know spreadsheets and you don't know these things, you're missing out. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, so now we're looking at the spreadsheet right now. And this is how you use a spreadsheet. So you want to think about your layout, your design. If I turn off the grid for a little, show grid lines, okay? Let's say you had headlines, and let's say that you're a criminal investigator, and you wanted to put a perpetrator in here or something. So that date committed. I think that's wrong. I don't know. But so you would want like a column look, so you would have the columns, and you can make them long or short. You can do a lot of different customizations, but the Google Sheet is a great way to put tabular data. Like you have a headline, like the name, so you say name. Let's bold these. So up here you have all of these amazing tools to bold. You can change the color. You can italicize. Stuff like that. Like you can make it amazing. You can even change the background color. Wow, that's really good. So if we wanted to really put this like that, no, let's do that. We really want to make this look good. Okay, so name, date of birth, and you're like, well, where do I write these things? Well, it's easy. All you have to do is just go to view, show, grid lines again. So there you go. Now you know where to put everything. And so see, you should be able to see the possibilities just with this, like name, Jerry, he's got a date of birth, 5/24/80, he's a sex offender. And he committed this 2/05/20. I mean, like COVID was going around, and I don't know. Well, maybe I should use a different one, I guess. If other kids are watching this, I don't know if I should say sex offender. But you get what I'm saying, right? So this is... You can put data in all these things, all these cells. And, you can imagine that, Jerry's on a crime spree, really, You could do that, and look at that. Every single day it updates. Sex offender stays the same. His date of birth, we don't want that to change. We want that, because that doesn't make sense. So, but see, you can put a whole bunch of things in here and really make it, you can change the background color of these too, like white, and then, I can't see it. There we go, I brought it back. And now this looks like a real table. Like your boss would be super proud of you. You can put in all these lines. You can put in one big line, and you can change it. You can change the color. See, look at that. That looks super professional. And, all you have to do is type stuff in. And people are like, well, you may not see, the benefit to this is amazing. The record keeping is fantastic. You can keep records. It's great. and stuff like that. But let's say that you wanted to know how many crimes someone committed in this, or you wanted to do, you can put functions in these cells. You can put really cool functions. So hit the equal button, and then, oh, I guess it doesn't, well, oh, look at that. Look at that. You can start typing something in. So like secant of an angle provided in radians, scene of an angle provided in radians, depreciation of assets using the straight line method. Like that's just for S, you know? That's so cool. So let's say sum of a series of numbers and/or cells. So let's say we want to know how many times Jerry committed a crime. Well, 0, that's wrong. Oh, you know what? We can do the sum if. Sum if. So look at this. If you type in sum if, a conditional sum across a range. So sum if this sum if that equal A2 equals Jerry. Okay. Wrong number of arguments. Sum if expected between 2 and 3 arguments but got 1. Sum if. Help. Sum if. Well, no. Sum if. Oh. Here we go. A2 equals Jerry. And then we want to sum these. Okay, there we go. Okay. 0. What the? A2 double equals? Formula parse error. A2 dang it. Oh, you know what? Well, and so Google, they provide a bunch of cool stuff on here. Sum if. So all you have to do for any formulas is go, no. Sum if Google. Okay, documents. All you have to go to is the docs. So this tells you everything you need to know. A1 through A10. Oh, I see. Okay, I see. Okay, range, criterion, sum range. Oh, this is so easy. Okay, so the range, this is going to be, I'll just copy that. Range is going to be A2, no, it's going to be, yeah, A2 through A12 for this one. And then this is going to be Jerry. And there we go. What the heck? Sum if. Maybe count? Count? Countif? Ah! What is this? Count if. Count if Google Sheet. What was that? I am doing something important. Yeah, I'm making a tutorial. Yes, I know. I know the Christmas lights need to be put up. I know. I understand that, okay? I know. Shh. This is important to me. It's important because I hate my job. These tutorials get watched. I had like 20 views on my last one. No, if I get a lot of views, do you realize that you can get like $100 for 1,000 views? You can get a lot of money. This does make money. I'm not doing something not important. Of course people want to know what this is about. This is oh my God, don't talk to me. Shh. I'm going to cut it out. Shh. Just please, okay, I'm recording. Please just be quiet. Please. I'll put the Christmas lights up. Okay. Countif. So you can even watch a video. Let's see. Range is tested. Tester applied to range. Change the text to check against. Okay. So counts the same criteria. Let's see. Sum if no. Count the numbers. I know how to use Google Sheets. I don't know why you're being so negative. I know how to use them. I've been using them for a very long time. Of course I use them. I use them every day when I'm at work. That horrible job. I know I complain about it. Shh. So, count if, A2 Jerry. Oh, 2 arguments. Oh! I told you! So, now you can see how many offenses. So, see, if a judge was using this, he doesn't need to look through all the records in your meticulously crafted database, Excel sheet, Google sheet. All he needs to do is how many offenses? 11. And then look at this. Look at this. You could do an if statement. If that is greater than or equal to 3. 3 strikes, you're out, buddy. Remember? Like that? Then equal to 3. Then we're going to say life in prison. Otherwise, set free. You know, judges have a lot of issues, you know. They have a lot of stuff to deal with. So look at that. See, it says life in prison, see? So that's an if statement. If this guy is committing a certain number of offenses, namely 3 or more, he gets life in prison, okay? Right there. If not, set free. Now the judge, you could run all this stuff, and a judge just has to sit down and look at this on his tablet, you know, under the desk if he doesn't want to show everyone that he's using your work or whatever, you know. And then just look at it. I heard judges aren't good with math. So they could just look at this and be like, oh, 11? He doesn't even have to think about it, like go back to his rules, like, oh, was it how many offenses before they had life in prison? He just looks, life in prison, boom, right there. Or set free. I mean, now this is great, you know, like, this is just a general, this is without loss of generality. You don't want to lose the generalism on this specific example. You know, like I said, you could, the potential is endless. You have so many things. Not only can you format it to look fantastic, but you have so many functions to really, really set yourself apart and become a spreadsheet master. It's a fantastic thing. And if you wanted to learn more about this, you know, send me a comment. You know, comment below. Let me know if this video tutorial helped you. I've got a lot more in stock. I just purchased about $4,000 worth of studio gear because I'm going full blast, guys. So I know you're watching. I know that you want these good things because no one else on YouTube's putting out good tutorials, unfortunately. You know, I've watched them all, and they're really bad. So this one's the best, you know. Please like the video. If you dislike the video, just do me a favor and don't. Just leave me a comment instead, you know. Say I dislike the video in the comment section, you know. So at least I can benefit from the algorithm of comments. But other than that, guys, have a wonderful day. You know, we love you at this channel. And, you know, this is how you use spreadsheets. You can master them. Don't doubt yourself, all right? Bye. Okay, I'll put up the fucking lights now.